Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using another retiring product, Ready to Pop, and we are going to be making this cute little birthday card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Ready to Pop, and we're going to be using these flowers and also the happy birthday. I'm really sad to see this one go. I have a piece of pink pirouette, which is also retiring, and it is cut by 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to bring in my embossing buddy. And I have my VERSAMARK ink pad, and I'm using the happy birthday, and that's mounted on block B. And I just want it right here in the bottom right hand corner. And then I have my white Stampin' Emboss powder. And I'm going to get my heat tool. All right, and now I'm going to get my pink pirouette ink pad, and I have the flowers, and those are also mounted on block B. And I'm just going to randomly put these little wreaths everywhere. All right. And then I have the organza whisper white ribbon. And I believe this is also retiring. I'm just going to make a bow. Alright, and then I'm going to take my SNAIL adhesive. I'm going to run this along the back. And I have a piece of whisper white, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. I could probably do this bow a little bit better. So let's see. All right. And I'm going to put some more adhesive on the back of this. And my card base is pink Pirouette, and it measures 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. So there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!